What's going on, guys? F32 Mick here. In this video, it's following on from my diffuser install. So as I said, I'm going to be doing this. So this is Connor's 320D. As you can see, it's looking bare at the front. So he's purchased himself a nice front splitter. So this one's a bit different, comes in two pieces opposed to my one that came in three. I didn't film the install for that. So it's literally come like this. So the bit that straps onto the actual bumper itself, that's already attached to one half of the splitter, and then you've got the other half here. The holes are already pre-drilled in as well, and then there's 3M tape as well to get that stuck down. It also came with a few of these screws, so a bag full. What we're going to do is obviously get this installed. So yeah, let's crack on. So yeah, what he's done is he's took off the 3M on the inside, so you can see that there, and then literally just line it up onto the bumper. Make sure it's fully lined up. And that's the good thing about the 3 Series. Unlike the 4, you don't get that little line like what mine has there. That looks lined up pretty well. That looks so good. Fitment is excellent. So I'm just gonna put on my piece and I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll obviously just start drilling. So yeah, we've got it all lined up. That's it all stuck on to the actual bumper. So now it's literally just a case of drilling. I haven't had a look under here myself. Oh yeah, but you can literally just see the holes that you'll just need to put the screws through, and the middle as well. So we're gonna just crack on with screwing this into the actual bumper itself, and then it'll be all secure. So what we've done to make this easier, because the screws weren't plain ball, we've got one of these pieces. So if you do have one to hand, just keep it by. Literally just drill through the pre-drilled holes into the bumper. This obviously just goes through it like nothing. And then, as I said, just put the screw in, if you can. Yeah, there it is there. And then literally just go straight in. But yeah, as I said, we're going to get the rest of the car done, and then we'll show you what it looks like. So here it is, finally done. Looks absolutely amazing. So good. The fitment is perfect as well, and that is not going anywhere. I'll quickly get under the car as well, just to show you everything in place. You can see that. You can obviously see all the screws there. Brilliant. But yeah, that's the F30 front splitter. I landed my one as well. But yeah, what we're going to do now is get this on. It's twin pipes. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. After dropping this video, definitely going to drop that video as well. So yeah guys, I'll catch you in the next one.